So my name's Annette Bird. I'm the President of Reptile Rehabilitation Queensland. So we rescue sick or injured reptiles. Reptiles are not the cute face of rehabilitation. So not many people, have an affinity for reptiles. I do, and we have a lot of carers that do. The top reasons they come in are all human related, sadly. So dogs, cats, cars, and habitat loss. We get them to veterinary attention and then we put them into our rehabilitation network for care until they can be released back into the wild. Hey darling. She's always angry. Not very thankful. So my house is set up a little bit differently to most houses in that the whole house is set up for animal care. Whatever comes in, we can house it. The most complex reptiles that we get in, of course, are those that can potentially kill us, and that's the venomous snakes. So we have very strict protocols with handling those guys. And then the other dangerous animals are, of course, the large goannas, and we have one of those here at the moment as well. It's a good feeling to be able to help these guys and put them back out to where they belong. Where are you? You in there? So the award that I recently won was Citizen of the Year, which was a massive honour. What it means for wildlife carers, it puts us on the radar and kind of, highlights the work that we actually do every single day. People that are, doing good things out there, put your name forward for Citizen of the Year because the recognition will help you in your cause.